Hey guys, we got a camera here. This is the 4K video camera by Zohula, looks like. Infrared, all that good stuff. It's the 4K Wi-Fi full spectrum camcorder. Ultra HD. Infrared night vision paranormal investigation camera. They claim 60 frames per second, 24MP, 30x digital zoom. Comes with 2 batteries and a 32 gigabyte sound card. We'll see. Let's unpack this and take a look at it. Well, what's this? This is a 2 terabyte, wow, memory stick? That's nice. Comes with a HDMI to, looks like USB cable. We have an infrared night vision, looks like flashlight. We have, oh, okay, more USB stuff. I don't know what it is yet because I haven't read the manual. Yeah, I know you're laughing at me right now. This is another lens for the camera. It's a wide angle lens. There's a strap for the camera. More USB to HDMI. Lens cap. And battery charger, remote. 1 battery. That must mean it has a battery inside the camera itself. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And here be our camera. Sorry about that. It's hard to do anything when you got one hand here trying to do everything. Take a look at this camera. Now I'm filming this with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, my newest to my family, except for this one. Now this is impressive. Wow, just wow. Has display, menu, looks like, yeah, play, menu, display. This is the power. Yeah, it looks like a card already in there to open. This is the button for the infrared lens, which is right, darn it, which is right where my thumb is, right here. Of course, the main capture part of the camera, which also takes pictures. Zoom, zoom in, zoom out, and of course your select button for your menu. All in all, it appears to be a very good camera. I haven't used it yet, but I will use it and report back to you on what it does. I'll let you see what it does. I'll film with it. But until that time, I'm James. I paid $228.88 for this camera. I've seen it go as high as $370 some to $400. Well, I hope you pick one up. I will get back with you on how it films here directly, and I do mean directly. I'll talk to you later. Bye.